like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan.
Y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking is from Sister Wig. This is Gia. She is a bob wig in shorts, and so yes, it is a lace front, well, kind of like a T-part. So I did spray a little lace tinting spray on the unit. I am leaving my hairline exposed because I'm going to use my own baby hair since this is a synthetic wig. Now you can make some, or you can just apply the unit without any baby hair. It's up to you, but I wanted mine to look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my baby hair. And I did get this from my local beauty supply store. I think I paid $40 for it, but you can find it cheaper online, I'm sure. And I did get mine in the color natural. It does come in different colors, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my edges with some Eco Styler gel and then also some edge control. But you don't want to get any edge control on the hair because it'll make the synthetic hair go limp. This is not a collaboration, y'all. I'm just putting y'all on to this unit. So I'm just going to spray some Got to Be Glue Free spray. Not too much, just a little bit on the lace. And then I'm just going to use this edge band and I'm going to put it on. Now, this ain't the company of the wig that I'm rocking, but I'm just using this edge band. And you can use heat on this synthetic wig. Just don't put your flat iron up too high. This one doesn't have heat settings, but I'm just going over the hair because obviously it's been smashed in the packaging. But yeah, y'all, this hair looks so good. I love the texture of it because it looks like I got a relaxer. And I just like, you know, straightened out my hair. I really love it. I'm going to use a little bit of this slick stick and just put it on the hair so the flyaways stay tamed and it doesn't stick up. Y'all know how straight hair can be. And I just cut a little piece in the front that was kind of like hanging low. And this is what it's given so far. And I'm just like touching it up. I decided to go ahead and do a sideburn. Let's dive into this makeup. So I'm using the CoverGirl Tru Blend in Outlast, and I just mixed the two colors because my skin tone be changing from winter and summer. Y'all know how that be. So I'm just applying the foundation with a Real Techniques sponge. And y'all always ask me about how I do my makeup, so here it is. Now y'all better not be asking me no more. Look, because y'all getting the tutorial today. So yes, I did do my eyebrows off camera, and I used the NYX pomade. And I'm just going around my eyebrows and everything, you know, just making sure everything's blended nicely. I've been really loving this Juvia's Place concealer, y'all. It's really bomb. So if you haven't tried it, you definitely should. So as you can see, I do blend the concealer all over my nose, and don't worry about the lace that's sticking up on the side because you're not going to see that. That's why I didn't make sure it was down, because my hair is going to be down and you will not see it. So I blended my concealer really well, and then I like to go in and bake it with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder. I've really been loving this. It's really good, you guys. So if you haven't tried it, you definitely should try it, and it's very inexpensive. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pat that into the skin. And then I'm going to take my black Radiance contour palette and I'm going to contour the sides of my face, my nose. Y'all know how that go. And I like my contour to be visible so I don't completely blend it out, because if you blend it out too much, it will be gone. And honey, I need you to see this contour because I sat here and did this makeup. You need to see this. Everything used in this video will be in the description box below, so make sure you check there. I repeat, it will be in the description box, so check there. As nose contour, lately my favorite part of makeup has been contouring my nose. Like, I don't know, I just really like contouring my nose. Like, it really brings dimension to your look. Y'all, I went back to my OG MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I haven't used this in years, and I forgot how much I loved it. So I just recently picked it up not too long ago, and yes, I've been loving it. I've been using it every time I do my makeup, and I'm just touching up my contour, okay? Period. Get into it. I swept away all that crayon case chalk dust with the Mineralized Skin Finish. Y'all know I don't wear no eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray all over my face. Yeah, you can add eyeshadow. I'm not an eyeshadow girl. And I'm just going to use the highlighter from the contour palette. And yes, I still highlight my face. And what about it? And what about it? And what you going to do about it? And I highlight my nose. And what about it? Exactly. Then I'm going to put my lashes on. Boom, bam. Make sure you look down in your mirror when you put your lashes on. This is the best way to put them on, honey. Okay? And I'm going to just do the other one. Y'all see? Boop, boop. Just getting it situated. Doop, doop. And then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and put some on my lashes to blend in with the false lashes. And then I'm literally going to put some on my bottom lashes as well. This is my favorite mascara because I love the little tip, the brush, whatever you want to call it. Like, it works so good for me. And I was going for a little vampy look because of my outfit. So I'm using a MAC lip liner in Nightmoth. Y'all know this is an OG. If you don't got this in your collection, girl, what is going on? You need to get Nightmoth. Like, what? And then I'm going to go in with the Crayon Case Clean Kisses. I really love this lip gloss. One of my favorites. And yes, I feel like this lip combo looks really good with the outfit that I was going to be rocking because I was going out this night. And, well, I went out. This has already been done. I went out and I was looking so good, so bomb, y'all. So this is the bob from all angles. As you guys can see, the cut is nice. Get into the synthetic wig. Like, get into it, get into it, get into it. And I'm just like cleaning up around my lipstick, and boom, this is the look. I love how I look. I look so good. And this was the outfit of the night. I love this look. Styled by me, yours truly. Looking good, looking fly. So yeah, follow me on Instagram so you can see all of my pictures, and follow me on TikTok as well so you can see all of my outfit of the days. I hope you all enjoyed this Get Ready with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
I know it's all love, everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm a man.